Hello everyone, today I will show you how to record high quality videos on iPhone. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to click on settings and then click on camera. Click on record video. So right now my video quality is set to 1080 HD. So if I want to increase the quality, I can choose 4K at 24 frames per size, or I can click on 40K at 60 frames. This one requires higher OS system as well as more data and battery. But if you don't want it, you can always choose 4K at 24, which give you better quality, but at the same time it doesn't consume too much battery. But this is how you would increase the video quality for your videos. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.